Okay, wait, let's... How do you guys wear this? How do you guys wear this? Hey guys, so Joshie and I are back at XIXILI and today we're making another video for you guys.
And the only difference this time is we are way more professional, okay?
So the D is the cup size.
Yeah.
And what's the 75?
Today we're going to be teaching you how to choose the perfect lingerie.
So ladies and gentlemen, you guys better pay attention, okay? Especially you guys out there.
Yeah, I know you guys don't really know.
All this stuff on.
Okay, cameraman, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so step 1.
Know your size.
So when it comes to choosing the right size for you, it might be a bit complicated. But thanks to XIXILI, who has the most extensive range of cup sizes from A to I, with the largest band size of 100 cm. It's really important that our bras fit perfectly, okay? And here are a few bra fitting checkpoints that you should take note of. And we also have the perfect person to show you exactly how it's done.
Hey, I thought we didn't hire anyone else. Okay, wait, let's... It's so...
Hey, do you want me to jump? Can we get a...
You look fine.
How do you guys wear this? How do you guys wear this?
So first of all, you gotta make sure that the straps aren't too tight or too loose. Next, most people don't know this, but you gotta make sure that the back panel is parallel to the floor. Also, if the bra is a bit too small, there might be a little bit of overflow. What that means is your assets are a bit out of place. Don't forget that the centerpiece has to touch your body and leave no gap. Take a look at my friend over here.
So you guys wear this type every day? What are you guys doing every day? Ah, okay, so now we're gonna teach you guys how to properly put on a bra.
So here are the 4 ways, 4 steps to put on a bra.
Firstly, slip on the bra straps over your shoulders. Is it good?
Yeah.
Second, lean forward to fill your breasts into cups fully and fasten the hook.
I can't do this. I can't go around my whole day. So we soon found out that this is impossible. So here's to respecting all women out there, because this is really hard, okay? Like,
That looks good. Step 3. Remain leaning forward. Use your left hand to push your right bust towards your left shoulder. Push both your busts in place so that it fits fully into the cups. Stand straight up and ensure the straps hold firmly onto your shoulders. Adjust the straps accordingly. So does it feel good, Josh? Is it too tight or too loose?
it's perfect.
It's perfect. And that's how you properly put on your bra. So, step 3, you have to understand the different bra styles.
But there are many different styles with many different functionalities to suit your everyday need.
Here are some examples.
The wireless bra. No wires. But these ones have wires.
T-shirt bras. They don't look like t-shirts to me. Contouring bras. Bras that shape and centralize your assets. Enhance your silhouette.
Interesting.
So, those are the 3 steps, and I hope you guys learned something today, and also the importance of having the right bra size.
And if you guys want to find out more, you guys can visit any XIXILI outlet for a perfect fit session.
And if you guys prefer shopping online, you guys can try the 3D avatar feature on the XIXILI web store. Basically, you can visualize how you look with your favorite lingerie with this 3D modeling feature. Cool, right?
If not, you can try our in-store feature where you select the products online and then try it at your preferred store.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do like this video, please do share it on your Insta stories, or share it with a friend, or share it with a guy that needs to learn about these lessons.
Makes sense actually, that's okay, so see you guys at the next episode where we bring one of our friends to come lingerie shopping with us.
Stay tuned, coming real soon. Bye guys.